Hello and welcome to another Kamwo E-Script tutorial. Today, we're excited to show you how to check your patient's allergens seamlessly when purchasing their formulas on our E-Script platform. This feature ensures safety and personalization at its best. Before we dive in, ensure your patient's profile is current. Head over to the Patient tab, fill in their personal, payment, and shipping information, and particularly their allergy details, including common allergens like animal derivatives, soy, gluten, tree nuts, seeds, latex, and shellfish. Let's explore option 1 for the custom formulas service. Remember, we offer custom formulas for raw herbs, granules, capsules, and vacuum packs. Simply select the herbs or formulas you need under the Custom RX tab. Once you've made your selections, click on Check Patient Allergies button, choose your patient's name, and instantly, our system will cross-reference their allergies with your selections and alert you to modify that ingredient. Should there be any discrepancies with the allergy information, you have the option to edit these details directly within the same pop-up window by selecting Edit Allergens. Now we'll see option 2 for non-custom products. Please note that our system will only verify allergens for products within Kamwo's Meridian product lines. Choose the products required for your patient and add them to the shopping cart. When you're ready, proceed to checkout. And then assign the purchase to your patient on the button that you will find at the top left. Let's select Michael Patient who is allergic to shellfish. Press the payment button, and our system will immediately check the entire cart for allergens, ensuring your patient's safety by prompting you to modify or remove specific products if necessary. With these simple steps, you can ensure your patient's well-being, leveraging our platform's comprehensive allergen check. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to contact us at customerservicekamwo.com. Don't forget to like, comment with any questions, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.